Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Nandy's Craft and Corner. Today we are going to be making another card using the One Sheet Wonder. I will link the video to that in this video, so that way you can see how to cut it, all the measurements for it and everything like that. But today we're going to make this guy. I've already made a couple samples. So here's this one. And then here is this one. So I really like this one, so I'm gonna make another one of those. Okay, so first what we have is a real red card base, and I made it open this way. And then we have a piece of the white cardstock that is going to be 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. Our DSP from the Ornamental Christmas is going to be 3 by 4. We're going to adhere that onto there. And then I have the 'Tis the Season, which is also from the Ornamental Christmas suite. And then I have the shaded spruce little extras here. And then I have this from a paper pumpkin, and I love using it just because it's gold. So we're going to use that. I'll wait till the jet passes. All right, well, let's start adhering. So for our shaded spruce, oh, I didn't tell you the dimensions of this guy. So this is 2 by, what is this? 2 by 5 1/2. Okay, so we're gonna adhere this side. Okay, make sure this opens the right way. There we go. And we're just gonna center this like so. This is a really quick and easy card. And you don't have to cut out the whole One Sheet Wonder to make it. If you just wanna make this one card, then you most certainly can do that. I have given you the measurements for that. But when I'm finished with all these cards, I will do a short that shows all of the, I believe it's 11 cards, all 11 cards. And what I'm going to be doing with them is donating, or not donating, but giving them to the veterans at the VA, my local VA here, just to spread some holiday cheer, let them know that we're thinking about them and we appreciate their service. So that's something that's very dear to my heart. I'm very excited to do that, excuse me. Okay, and then actually, I wanted to show you guys this. So in a previous video, I made this card and I forgot to tuck these little ends underneath. So I learned my lesson from that, and we're gonna make sure we put this gold down before we put our sentiment on. That's what crafting is. It's all about learning and creating. Okay. So, and if you don't have like little gold cutouts or anything like that, you can always use your die cut and some gold foil. I am going to try to do that in another video, just so I have some on hand. I really like just having these available, so I don't have to worry too much about it, and I can kind of create my card as I go, which I really enjoy doing. Okay, so this is just a piece. It's about we'll say 1 1/8. This should be 1 1/4. Yeah, this is 1 1/4. And then this is 2 1/4 inches long. So we're gonna cut this probably, I believe it should be 2 1/2. Let's see. And I'm just gonna cut it with my scissors. like so. 1, 2, nope, it's 2 and what is that? 3/8. Sorry, it took me a minute. Stumped me. I'm not good at reading this graph. Okay, so we have our little sentiment there. Oops. And then of course you could put some pearls on as well. I did that in this one because I didn't put as much gold on it. So you can of course do that. I actually like it just the way it is. So I'm gonna do that. You just wanna make sure you cover up the stem. And I kind of liked the sentiment hanging off a little and then not quite centered. So it has plenty of gold around it and everything. So what did you guys think? Was that a simple card to make? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, subscribe and you'll see plenty more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for being with me today and we'll see you soon. Bye.